This is always a popular body style here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1966 Pontiac GTO two-door hardtop. Real deal GTO, the 242 VIN. 389 V8 underneath the hood with tri-power added. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work. Grille up front on this one. That iconic front end, the stacked headlights. Paint coat in this car, T. Martinique bronze. 223 trim for black interior and also a black vinyl roof. So this looks similar to the way it would have looked back in 1966. Take your time looking at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on Krieger SS chrome wheels. Disc brakes up front, BF Goodrich radial tires. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. There is a few spots where there's some imperfections, and I'll kind of point them out as we go around. Nothing too crazy over the top. This car will turn some heads, no doubt about that. The engine was also rebuilt, and there's a folder with some miscellaneous receipts, and there's also the build specs and parts list in that folder for the engine. Technician did note the tires are showing their age some. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels. Pretty nice and straight. Of course, bucket seats up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out some of those aftermarket gauges, the dash. Take a peek underneath the hood. I've not noticed any rips or tears or anything in the vinyl roof. That's a nice shape, and you'll see that pictured from every angle with the still pictures. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Love those louvered taillights. Great look on this car. Dual exhaust chrome bumper. Chrome's looking nice in that rear bumper. Here's one spot I noticed that there was a little bit of bubbling. You can see that. And I took a picture of it too in with the still pics. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these GTOs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. UniqueClassicCars.com. A little bubbling on that lower door. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase, and that can be done right off our showroom floor or, of course, online. Let's take a little look at this interior. Seatbelt's still intact, you notice. Door panel, of course, with the GTO badging, 6.5 liter. I do have the floor mats in it now. You'll be able to see the carpeting without the floor mats in the still pictures. I did not notice any rips, tears, holes on the seats, really much wear at all. All right, let's fire this up. Like I said, we'll take a peek underneath the hood. Obviously, water temp, that was a cold start. Won't expect that to be up. Bolts, oil pressure. I haven't played around with the stereo much. It does power up. Top of the dash looks good. Let it warm up here just a tad bit. We can take a listen. A little rumble coming out of that 389. We'll let it warm up just a bit here. We'll get off that higher idle. and pop the hood, take a look underneath there. So like I said, let me warm it up a little bit. Stick around to the very end. We're going to take a look at this engine compartment, and Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood popped. It's had a chance to warm up here. There it is. 389 with tri-power. Looks like a newer brake booster and master cylinder. So power brakes, power steering. Nice sounding car. Slip around to the back. Let's take a listen with that idle down. Oh, listen to this. Good looking muscle car. 1966 Pontiac GTO 2-door hardtop, real deal. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1966 Pontiac GTO. Looking good in gold paint, black interior. This is an automatic down on the center console, where there's also storage and some gauge clusters mounted to the bottom of the dash. The water temperature showing 190. The volts are just a little over 14 where they should be. And the oil pressure is 60 to 65. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission. Very good acceleration. One of those super iconic American cars, the 1967 GTO. If you're into this body style, this is the one you want usually. The blower motor does work on this car. As you can see, the wiper's also working. It is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Speedometer's working. The fuel gauge, the factory fuel gauge in the dash is showing a half a tank. This is clock equipped. Now I don't see the clock ticking, but it is a Pontiac Rally clock. Very cool. Vinyl bucket seats in this GTO are comfortable. Brakes feel smooth. It's got corners as you would expect. Corners nicely. Power steering makes it easy. Effortless acceleration. Plenty of power from that engine. Take a look at all the pictures of this Pontiac GTO at uniqueclassiccars.com.